Good morning, guys! Today, I'll be showing you a quick and easy recipe to do for breakfast, for snack, or even as a dessert. So, I'll be showing you how to make French toast. So, this recipe is actually something easy and quick to do, so you can ask your little kids or your younger siblings to help you out in making this dish. Also, it's something very simple because all the ingredients we're going to use are the ones you can actually find at your homes already. Okay, so let's get started. I'll show you first the things that we're going to need. So first, you'll be needing bread, 2 slices of bread. Make sure that you put them in something flat. And then we'll need your egg, 1 egg. And then sugar. Also, we'll be using some milk. And then some butter. And then at the end, you can put in your favorite fruit. So I have banana, your favorite spreads, peanut butter, or just plain honey or syrup. So the first thing we need to do is to whisk your egg. Yes. Okay, and then we'll add half cup of milk. And then after the milk, we'll put 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then just mix it all together. You can also put in a little bit of cinnamon if you like it. And just mix. There you go. And once it's all mixed, get your bread and pour in the mixture to your bread. There. Okay, make sure your bread gets soaked. Then you can also flip your bread. There. And then you let this stay for around 5 minutes to make sure that the liquid gets absorbed and your bread gets soaked as well.
Click here to subscribe.